Slime Hacker here. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make souffle slimes the easiest way I know how to do them. So the things that you are going to be needing are a container, activator, which I use hot water, and borax, but you can kind of see that I accidentally added too much, so it's not dissolving, but that's okay because you can kind of just shake it or add more water in. A container, glue, something to stir with, shaving foam, food coloring if you want. This is just for the bottom piece to make it look really cool. So yeah, so let's get on into the video. So I'm going to take my container and my glue, and just fill it up. Probably just going to do half of the bottle. Now I'm making my bottom one first, and I'm just going to put in a little bit of shaving foam, just a little bit. Just a little bit. And I'm going to add in my color. I'm going to be doing orange, so you're going to need red and yellow. And then we're going to add in our red. Now it might look different on camera because I actually was going to do an ASMR video and it was peach and it was just showing up on screen as yellow. So now we're just gonna stir. Hopefully this doesn't break. Fix my lighting. See, it looks kind of orange a little bit on screen already, but what I'm looking at is like pink right now. So I'm gonna add in a little bit more food coloring to get the color I want. Now that looks more like orange. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm going to take my activator and start activating it. Make sure you add in your activator really slow because with shaving cream or shaving foam, or when you're basically doing anything that is kind of hard, it will make the slime really hard really fast because it always activates differently. Just gonna stir this up. Sorry if you guys hear noises in the back. I cannot speak at all today. So we're gonna keep activating this. I'm gonna do this off camera because this is also gonna take very long, so I will be right back. So I am back, and this is for the bottom of the slime. I didn't want to activate it too much, So it is just a little bit sticky, and it's not super fluffy. So I'm going to put this in my container. Hopefully it's not too much. So I'm going to take a little bit out. Like that. Basically, you just want it halfway full. Like that. And you can just let this sit while you make the other one. So we're going to be making the white part of the slime now. So grab your same container or another one. You can also use a bowl or something like that. So grab your bowl. I kind of just wiped mine out. It still has a little bit of stuff in it, but you guys can just get that out or do whatever. So we're going to grab our glue again, and we're just making this white, so we're just adding this in. Don't have to add in a lot because shaving cream or shaving foam, when you add these in, it's gonna double the slime. And I will be not doing the ASMR because when you're done with these, you have to let them sit overnight. So I'm going to stir this. Just make sure you get all the glue in there. Okay, that looks good. Now we are going to activate the slime. When I actually activated the other slime, it took a while because, like I was saying, I didn't want to make it too overactivated. And when it starts to stick like this, kind of just take it off and push it down, and then start sticking, like mixing it again. Sorry, cannot speak whatsoever. I'm going to put a little bit more activator in here, just a little bit. So I almost got it activated. It's pretty much there. I kind of let it sit for a little bit, mostly because my phone died and I had to kind of do the video a little bit. I had to figure everything out, make sure everything was in the right place, and go charge my phone. But anyway, besides that, this is what I have so far. It's a little sticky, but I'm just gonna kind of play with it just for a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it in the container. I hope this is enough slime for the top. It should be. If it's not, then I don't know. Y'all just remember, nothing has to be perfect. This does not have to be perfect. If other people that watch your videos and they see that it's like not perfect, they'll understand because they know how hard it is to do slime videos, and I hope y'all understand. So yeah, so I'm gonna get my container and I'm gonna put the slime in it. It kind of looks peach, but it's actually pink, like I was saying earlier. It looks different colors. So you can kind of see this was already drying because I left it for so long. So we're going to take this one, and what you want to do is kind of just go like this. You're going to fix it in the container, but you just kind of want to go like that. You're going to put it in your container. Kind of push down just a little bit. Don't want to do too much, because you're going to want like at least something on top. Oopsie. Yeah. Just kind of trying to push it up a little bit. Okay. It's gonna kind of fix itself, make the shape a little bit better. I will do a video tomorrow because these have to sit overnight to, they have to sit overnight. So, to dry on top, I could not think of the word, which was just dry. So, this is basically what it looks like. It does not have to be perfect. I think it looks really good. This is only like my few. I've only started doing these because they look really good. It's really good ASMR. If you do this with like an iceberg, I'm gonna do like how to do like icebergs and all that stuff. But if y'all want to see that video, comment down below. I love to read your guys' comments. It just makes me want to do this more. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be doing an ASMR video after this dries overnight tomorrow. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. And bye.